This is Code Combat Introduction to Computer Science, the JavaScript version of it. I'm on the challenge Sleep Hour. Challenge level goals. Escape to the red X marks. Collect all the gems. Collect all gems, use at least one concept. Use movement arguments. Defeat the ogres using strings. Okay, and a string is just their name in quotes. This is a combo challenge level. Completing the level goals and at least one of the concept goals complete the level goals and at least one of the concept goals using the programming skills you have learned so far. All right, we can do this. Basic commands, movement arguments, and strings. And again, strings are just these ogres' names. If you can, complete all the goals. This is a combo challenge. You must complete the level using at least one concept you've learned. If you can, complete all the goals. So, escape to the red X mark, that we can do. Collect all the gems, okay. Use one of these. Use a movement argument. Okay, a movement argument is the number here. I can demonstrate it. Let's move down first. Down 1, we'll grab that gem, and then let's move right 2. Now, I can go right twice like this, but if I want to use an argument, that is a number I place inside here. So writing right will move my character right once. If I write a 1 here too, though, that would also move him once. However, I can leave it blank, and that is once. If I put a 2, he'll go right twice. This 2 is called an argument in coding. When you have something in between these parentheses, it is an argument, because move right is a function, but we'll get into all that later. So let's go right 2, let's go up 1, and then let's attack, what's that ogre's name? Ursa once, okay? And remember, ogres take 2 hits, so we're gonna hit Ursa again. Then I think we need to go left twice. And so if we're gonna use our arguments inside of here, that's how we do it. Let's see where that gets me. Up and around, yep, that's looking great. And we're gonna go up, we're gonna attack Rexar, sure. Make sure you capitalize their names. Remember, computers are dumb. They can only do what we tell them. So if we don't write the names exactly as they are here in these quotation marks, nothing will work. It's not going to happen. Move left 2, move up, up. Yep, great. And then I'm going to go right. Then I'm going to attack. Oh, what's up here? I did something wrong. Left once, left twice. Why can't I go up? Oh, is it just because? I think it's just because I'm typing. We'll find out. Alright, let's go attack and attack. And again, I'm capitalizing his name to make sure it's exactly like it shows. Move right, and let's go right twice. That should get me to the X, I believe. Let's see if this mess is actually what we needed. Great job, you did go. Okay, let me see it. Aha! I think by Mr. Rexar. Solid name for him. And we got both of our concept challenges. Victory! Great.